Welcome to Future Gear Unboxed. Today we're exploring Xiaomi's latest flagship, the Xiaomi 14 Pro, a device that's been making headlines worldwide. Let's get straight to it. Xiaomi never fails to impress with its clean and premium packaging. Here's the Xiaomi 14 Pro, sleek, elegant, and stunning at first glance. Let's take a closer look. Design and build. This design feels ultra premium. The glass back, aluminum frame, and that thin profile. 73 AMOLED panel with a 2K resolution and 120 AMZ refresh rate. Every color pops, and the smoothness is next level. Perfect for gaming or binge watching. Performance. Under the hood, we've got the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, paired with up to 16 GB of RAM. The performance is buttery smooth. Whether you're gaming, multitasking, or editing videos. Now, cameras are the highlight here. A 50MP main sensor co-engineered with Leica. Just look at these shots. Crisp, vibrant, and full of detail. Low light performance, impressive. Low compression. Battery and charging. A 4,820 mAh battery that easily lasts a full day and supports 120W fast charging. Did I mention you can go from 0 to 100% in just 19 minutes? That's blazing fast. Pricing and value. Now let's talk pricing. The Xiaomi 14 Pro starts at $899 for the base variant, making it an incredible value compared to flagship devices like the iPhone 15 Pro, which starts at $1,199. Or the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra at $1,199 as well. At this price, Xiaomi is offering top-notch design, Leica cameras, and cutting-edge performance. Definitely one of the best value flagships in the market right now. So that's the Xiaomi 14 Pro, a device that ticks all the boxes: performance, design, cameras, and innovation. Is this the flagship you've been waiting for? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Future Gear Unboxed for more amazing tech content. See you in the next